Thick green foliage around us nestles the beauty of Ksirs, which enthralls and entertains every one of us. Amidst the loud bantering of our mates, we cannot miss the chirping of birds, moving of cows, or the barking of dogs. One would stop to think, why so many animals and plants? Won't they invite a lot of bugs? But hey, that's our unique identity. We are a green campus with over 800 plus trees amidst an IT hub. It's a home to many bees, butterflies, birds and animals, all thanks to the green cover that was created by our seniors, teachers and our executive director Lalita ma'am. Instilling insights on how to go about doing this monstrous task happens during our life skills sessions. Our trained caretakers teach and guide us on how to prepare, plant, and care for these plants. Additionally, we've also been taught to make the best use of natural resources around us to maintain the greenery. It's our tiny little role towards nature that makes a whole lot of difference in everyone's lives.
Ksirs Live.